The United Kingdom and the EU in the discussion of the retired round. The topics is the what is and the priority, and the what is the government and the United Kingdom have to work sincerely to the well tension over the post-Brexit checks and Northern Ireland ports. The dispute has arisen because under the Brexit agreement with the EU, some products entering Northern Ireland from the Great Britain must be checked on entry, and his priority is the United Kingdom government and the a Commission reiterate their full commitment to the Good Friday Agreement and to have the proper implementation of the Northern Ireland Protocol, and the circle added that the UA was in its sackcloth and the ashes after the temporarily suspended agreements made of the part of the Brexit and the last Friday.